Tired of hauling around a big heavy handbag or having your pockets full all the time only to end up with another cracked screen? And who even has pockets anymore? Now there's the Go Belt, the stretchable belt that holds everything. Finally, grab-and-go convenience meets safety and security. Go Belt is extra stretchy, moves with you, and gives you easy access to the things you need when you need them. Go Belt fits around your waist so you can enjoy a hands-free workout anytime. And its reflective tape provides added visibility at night. Its zippered pouches expand to hold dozens of essentials, and its discreet design stays safely hidden out of sight. It features 2 expandable pockets, one for smaller items like keys, cards, and cash, and a larger one for your smartphone, passport, or anything you want to keep secure and hidden under your clothes. It even fits those oversized smartphones. Take Go Belt with you when traveling and get through security in a flash. Its grab-and-go convenience is great for busy parents and older kids. It goes with you anywhere and everywhere. Anything that requires 2 hands just got a whole lot easier with the Go Belt. And just look at how much it holds.